Hello, and welcome to Tips and Tricks. My name is Olamide. I'm a new training support specialist at the Hollywood Loan Library Distribution Center. My contact information is below. Feel free to contact me if you have any questions about this or any other products available in the AT and UDL Loan Library. Today we will be adjusting the mouse pointer size on Mac OS 15. Keep in mind, the Mac OS versions may have been updated since the release of this video. To adjust the mouse pointer size, go to the Apple icon in the left corner of the screen. Select System Settings. In the Settings menu, find and click on the Accessibility menu. Once in the Accessibility menu, select Display. Under Display, locate the Pointer section. Navigate to the Pointer Size section and adjust the pointer size to your preference. You can easily increase or decrease the pointer size to suit your needs. Below the Pointer Size section, you'll find the pointer color options. To change the pointer outline color, select the box to the right and choose your preferred color. To change the pointer fill color, select the box to the right and choose your desired color. Once you're done, close the Settings menu and continue using your Mac as usual. On behalf of the AT and UDL Technology and Learning Connections team, I would like to say thank you for joining us today. For more information and other videos, please take a look at our website. Have a great day.